Good morning, students. So today we will discuss about the fineness of cement. We will do one experiment, fineness of cement for third semester civil engineering lab 1. So where we will find the fineness of cement. You know, concrete gets its strength when we add water to cement. They react chemically and mix bond with sand and aggregate, and in this way concrete gets its strength. So the main binding ingredient is cement. When water is added or comes in contact with cement, then hydration takes place, and this hydration depends on the surface area of cement. This hydration depends on the surface area of cement. Surface area of cement. Now, if the surface area will be large, then the strength will be more, and if the surface area will be less, then strength will be less. So for getting large surface area, you should have finely grinded cement, and that how much fine it is, you can indirectly find out from fineness of cement. Here the apparatus required are a 90 micron IS sheet. You can see here macrons 90 size is given, then a pen, a lid, a brush, a spatula, porcelain bowl, weighing machine capable of weighing up to 0.001 gram. So these are the apparatus and tools required. Then you require sample as cement. When you take cement from a bag, what you have to do is you have to see the brand of cement, and date of manufacturing, week, month of that particular cement, and you have to note in a paper. Then you have to take exactly 100 grams of cement, exactly 100 grams of cement. First pen will be there, next sieve will be there, and after that you will close the lid. Now coming to weighing balance, here you on the switch. Bowl is inside, open the lid, take out the bowl, then you take exactly 100 gram of cement, $74. Then it is coming nearly 100. Close the lid, take the reading. It is 100.5 294. Now you pour the cement in this 90 micron sieve. With the brush you can clean. After that, close the lid. Then you have to sieve it for 15 minutes. It can be done manually or with a sieve shaker. So we will place it in a sieve shaker for 15 minutes. Now we have fixed, this is a sieve shaker. We have fixed the assembly in the sieve shaker. Now we will switch on. We will see the time. It is 4:10. So after 15 minutes you have to switch off the sieve shaker, and we have brought the sample. Now manually you can sieve it from left to right, front and back and round. In this way you can sieve manually, but you have to sieve it for 15 minutes. Now we will open the lid. You can see here the residue is on this 90 micron IS sieve. Now you can see this residue. Now in the bottom there may be some cement particles. You have to clean it. After that you have to take this residue again in this bowl. To measure the weight. So this is 1.982 grams. Note it down. 1.982 grams. So this is the tabulation. You can write the IS code. You have to refer IS 4031 part 1. Then from the back you have to write the brand, month or manufacturing year, and grade. Your grade is OPC 43, brand is JK Lakshmi Cement. First the weight of cement sample you have taken, W in grams. First sample 100.294 you have obtained. Then weight of cement retained in 90 micron IS sieve, W1 in grams, 1.982 grams. Then percentage of weight retained, that is W1 divided by W into 100. W1 divided by W into 100, it is equal to 1.97. In this way you have to take other two samples. The calculations are given here, and at least here you have to take 3 samples, and then you have to calculate the average or mean value, and this will give the fineness of cement. Now you have to compare it with the limits. So for OPC the limit, this value should not be greater than 10, and for rapid hardening cement this value should not be greater than 5. So 1.98 comes under the limit. So our cement is fit for use. Precautions you have to take. The lumps in cement you have to crush it between the fingers and not in the sieve, and the cement should be of a recent date. It should not be older than 3 months. These two precautions you have to take in this experiment. Thank you.